Once upon a time, in a dusty, sunny valley, lived a hard-working mule named Max. Max was known far and wide for his strength and determination. One night, Max looked up at the sky and noticed a small, flickering light. It was the moon, but Max had never seen it so close before. He felt a strange pull towards it. The next day, Max decided to follow the path the moon had taken. He walked for miles, climbing hills and crossing streams, but the moon remained just out of reach. Along the way, Max met a wise old owl who asked, "Max, why are you chasing the moon?" Max replied, "I want to get closer to it. I feel a strong pull towards it." The owl smiled and said, "Max, the moon is not something you can physically reach. But it can guide you, just as it guides the stars and the night." Max paused, thinking about the owl's words. He realized that the moon was not something he needed to touch, but something he could learn from. From that day forward, Max looked at the moon each night, not with a desire to reach it, but with a sense of wonder and admiration. He realized that sometimes, the things that seem out of reach can teach us the most valuable lessons. And so, Max continued to work hard, using the moon as his guide, and he lived a happy, fulfilling life. The end.